Hello, my name is Geraint Rhys and I'm playing Mr. Salt and Grandpa George. Really excited to be working with this cast and crew. Some I've worked with before, many times. Philip Harris and Ginny Lisa. It's like a masterclass in comic timing, and they're veterans of theatre, especially Welsh theatre, and it's always a privilege to work with them. And there are new people who I haven't worked with before, and we're already like a little family, which is marvellous. I don't have anything at all in common with my characters, but potentially Grandpa Joe, because he's older, and I am struggling to get up the stairs. Yeah, and everything aches a bit more, but that's about it. Easy, easy. The last show I was in, I was playing 5 different characters. So playing 2 is really manageable and is a bit of a godsend actually. So I'm actually thrilled, and it's manageable and it's fun. I purposely didn't watch any of the films. I think I watched the original years ago when I was young, but I purposely didn't want to watch like Wonka or any of the newer adaptations, because I wanted to bring my own spin on it and my own interpretation. I think that's what's beautiful about Aberystwyth, is their shows are really unique and special. I think people should come and see the show because it's just joyous. It's really joyous. It's a spectacle. The dance numbers, the singing, the comedy in it, and the playfulness. But also, I think a lot of people these days are glued to their phones, their laptops, their iPads, and I think this coming to the theatre and watching this show will allow them to use their imagination again. Yeah, and just see how magical that all is.